Hello fellow traders, this is a long-term cryptocurrency analysis for Bitcoin for December 26, 2017. This is the trading disclaimer. You can pause this video and read it at any time. Okay, let's go and do a top-down analysis for Bitcoin. We are going to be using three time frames. The monthly chart, okay, here at the upper right side of the layout, the weekly chart, and the daily chart. Right now we have a bigger picture uptrend. As you can see, the month is in a clear uptrend. New areas of demand are being created with a very strong bullish impulse. And on the weekly, the same thing. Both the weekly and the monthly timeframes are in alignment, are in a big picture long bias, but now we are having strong reaction from there with a bearish engulfing pattern on the weekly. So after a strong rally in price, do not buy. I mean, those are the principles, the basic principles for supply and demand trading. If any asset is too expensive, just ignore it and don't buy it, because you could be buying after a strong rally in price. And this is what's going on here on the monthly chart and the weekly chart, and we are having a bigger retracement. Price did fell short of retracing to this weekly area of demand at around 7,386, around this area, and then rallying from there. Great obstacle being created here on the weekly side with a bearish engulfing pattern. Don't forget, longs are allowed down there at the weekly average demand. It's not a good idea to buy now the lower time frames imbalances, because after such a strong rally we usually have a bigger retracement. We are expecting that because it's just too expensive. Many investors will be bucketing profits and closing their positions. It's not a good idea to do that. And we actually had one area of demand already removed over there with a very strong impulse and creating new areas of supply. So it's not a good idea to go long right now for longer term. So as you can see here, price almost reached the 20,000 mark, and in a single wick, which is this candle here that created the bearish engulfing pattern on the weekly, in a single wick price dropped from 20,000 to about 11,000, which is like half, a 50% retracement, 50% retracement almost on Bitcoin in a single week. And that notes that there are strong sellers up there at the top with a very strong bearish impulse. If you want to continue buying Bitcoins, I would advise you to wait for a bigger retracement down there and then start buying Bitcoin again down there at these weekly and monthly areas of demand to have a safer, higher odds trades with the bigger picture uptrend respecting areas of demand like this one over there. So long bias on Bitcoin. Merry Christmas and enjoy the time with your family and friends. Bye bye.